Hello everyone, welcome back to Andonstar's channel. So today we are gonna solder some special components, zener diode. The soldering process of this little thing is not complicated. What's interesting is its unique principle. Let's take a look together. Like most other components, when soldering a zener diode, one end must be fixed before soldering the other end. Well, let me briefly introduce the unique features of zener diodes to you. The basic structure of zener diodes, like ordinary diodes, also has a PN junction. Due to different manufacturing processes, when this PN junction is in a reverse breakdown state, it will not be damaged. It utilizes this breakdown characteristic when it can stabilize the voltage. When the reverse voltage of a diode exceeds its reverse withstand voltage value, it will be broken down and damaged. However, when the voltage regulator diode reaches the regulated value under reverse voltage, the reverse current increases sharply. As long as the reverse current does not exceed the maximum allowable current, it can work normally. Its reverse volt-ampere characteristic curve is shaky and has good linearity. The above is the entire content of this video. If you like it, you can like and follow us.